welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear students, in my last video I taught you the first two parts of the English workshop of the lesson, An Encounter of a Special Kind. Now today in my video I am going to explain you the next activities of the workshop of this lesson. The third activity, that is write in your own words. Two questions are there given and you have to write the answer of the given questions. The first question that I am going to read: why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? While reading the books, the writer was engrossed in the reading the books. At that time he heard the barking dogs. The question is that why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? लेखकानं कुत्र्यांच्या भुंकण्याच्या आवाजाकडे दुर्लक्ष का केलं? तर the answer of this question that you have to give in your own words. So I am going to write here the answer of this question. I think the reason why the narrator ignored the barking of dogs. First one is the reason because it was quite afternoon for reading an adventure story for him. Another reason that I found that the pack of dogs might have cornered an unfortunate pig. These are the two reasons why the narrator ignored the barking of dogs. Next question is that why did the mother langur make no efforts to grab her baby from the coop? त्या खुराड्यातून आपल्या बेबीला काढून घेण्यासाठी त्या बेबी लंगूरची आई कुठल्याच प्रकारचे का प्रयत्न केली नाही? त्याचं कारण आपल्याला इथं स्पष्ट करायचं आहे. तर त्याचं कारण असं आहे. The reason for the second question's answer, these are the two reasons. The question, why did the mother langur make no efforts to grab her baby from the coop? The first reason is because narrator and his family were taking care of her baby. This is the first reason. And the next reason is the mother langur was convinced that no harm was being done to her child. These are the two reasons. That is why the mother langur did not make any efforts to grab her baby from the coop. This is the activity number 3 that I have completed here. Now let us see the activity number 4, that is on page number 13. Read the text carefully. Activity number 4, page number 13. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happenings in the text in the sequential order. There are 30 sentences are given to you on the page number 13, but these sentences are in a jumbled order. So as per the story that explained the writer Tapan Mukherjee, we have to write the sentences as occur one by one. The 30 sentences are there that in your textbook. Here I am going to write the answers for each sentences. Write down I am going to write just only the numbers. In your notebook you write the detailed sentences that are given here in the textbook. Okay. Here the left side of this board, the sentences that you can see as per the increasing order, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are as per given in the text on page number 13. And the answer for the first sentence is 6 number. And for second number, that is 11. For third, that is third. For fourth, that is number 5. For fifth, that is number 2nd. For number 6, that is number 1. Number 7, that is number 9. Number 8, 13 is the answer. And for number 9, that is number 7. For the number 10, that is number 4 answer. That 11 number sentence, that is 12 number answer. For 12 number sentence, that is 8 number answer. And for 13, that is number 10. Here the sentences are that right side of this board, that you see the sentences numbers that are as per the happened in the story. Here I have completed the 4th activity. Now the next activity, activity number 5. The activity number 5 is like this. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. Two questions are there given and you have to write the answers of these two questions. The question is, what would you do if you found an injured bird while returning home from your school. शाळेवरून घरी परतत असताना तुम्हाला एक जखमी जर पक्षी जर सापडला तर तुम्ही काय कराल? राईट द आन्सर ऑफ दिस सेंटेन्स इन 5 to 6 words. The answer of this question is, I would pick it up in my hand and give it first aid treatment, also water to drink, and if it needed any food to eat, I will provide it. Also, I would check its wound and try to cover it with bandage. I think this is the answer as given in the activity number fifth A. Now the second question. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? तर या प्रश्नाचं अर्थ असा आहे, या कथेतून लेखकाबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं किंवा लेखकाची गुणवैशिष्ट्ये काय तुम्हाला दिसून येतात? यू हॅव टू राईट इन हिअर in 5 to 6 sentences. The narrator is very sensitive. लेखक हा खूप संवेदनशील आहे. The narrator was a teenager at that time, but he had the knowledge of animal behavior. त्यावेळेस लेखक हा किशोरवयीन होता, परंतु त्याला प्राण्यांच्या वर्तणुकीच्या बद्दल चांगला ज्ञान होता. He is very sympathetic, loving and careful person. लेखक हा आपला खूप सहनशील, त्याचबरोबर सहानुभूती आणि काळजी दाखवणारा अशा प्रकारचा व्यक्ती होता. ही हॅज द क्वालिटी ऑफ ह्युमॅनिटी. त्याच्यामध्ये मानव गुणधर्म हे भरलेले होते. त्याचबरोबर द नरेटर हॅज ॲडमिरेबल क्वालिटीज इन हिम. आणि लेखकाच्या मध्ये कौतुकास्पद अशा प्रकारचे गुणवैशिष्ट्ये आपल्याला पाहायला भेटतात. अशा प्रकारचे गुणवैशिष्ट्ये लेखकामध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला भेटतात. हिअर आय हॅव कम्प्लिटेड द ऍक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 5. The activity number 6, that is on page number 40. The activity is, complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the given activities. Points are there given to you. Mother-child relationship. Mother-child relationship. The points that are given you here in your textbook, only one is there given to you. Love and affection. Next, points that you have to add and complete the web. The second is that I have written here care. Third one is protection and advice. Next, sympathy, and last, responsibility. The points that you can see, there is a instruction for you. With the help of all these points, develop a paragraph as per the given title, mother-child relationship. And the next part here in this, that is like this. Second point that you can see here in your textbook, that is injured animal. And next part of the headline that is given to you, how will you help? तुम्ही त्या इजा पोहोचलेल्या प्राण्याला कशा प्रकारची मदत कराल? One point is there given to you in your textbook, that is provide food and water. And next points that I have found here, first aid treatment, keep it in a safe place, take care, and bandage. These are the points given to you. With the help of all these points, develop a paragraph and write in your notebook. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. In my next video, I will post you the remaining part of the English workshop of the lesson, and encounter of a special kind. Thank you.